Go, they're hungry. They're hungry. Oh, giveเลย. They're hungry. Oh, they're so hungry. They need to eat. Yes, this is your favorite horse. This horse ชื่ออะไรนะครับ name ชื่ออะไรนะ Brownie. Name of this horse is Brownie. Let's say Brownie. You eat more. See, Brownie is tired because carry you. Okay, Brownie. This is Brownie. So you want to go back here? Okay, to see Brownie? ครับมาไหม Yes วันนี้ไม่มีไอศครีมเหรอครับบอกไม่มีอ๋อตรงนู้นอ๋อโอเคคาเฟ่นะ we go to cafe Yay Brownie is full Brownie very good Brownie Brownie Okay You want to drink something in the cafe You wash your hand first Okay ล้างมือก่อนล้างมือตรงไหนครับอ๋อตรงนู้นเลยโอเคไปล้างมืออยู่นู้นเลย wash your hand Wash your hand. We go back here again. We go to the cafe. Okay. No. Kate, be careful na. Maybe bite your hand. Kate. Uy, ani nok alay na. Be careful na. Ani in nok eaw like eagle. Oh. Oh my God. It's so big. Not yet hungry. Okay. Uy, uy. See? Very good farm here. You can come here. No, Kate? Okay, look there first. Okay, we go to the farm. We go to the cafe. Huh? Okay, let's see this place. Be careful. Okay, walk, 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 walk. Uy, very nice place too. Wow. Okay, okay. Walk there, walk there. You want to buy something to drink and then drink here, or later we go there in the cafe. Okay, wow. See? Very nice. Uy, have the boat here. You want to sail? Yeah. See? Okay. Where's the fish? They're sleeping. Where are the fish? Wake up, fish! Fish! You tell to the fish, wake up! Wake up! Kate! Kapon mak na. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Noy noy na, noy noy A little by little. Okay? To the fish. Noy 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 noy. Uy! Uy, big fish! Wow! It's so big. Kate, give more. Hey, give more. Wow, they're hungry. Huh? They're hungry, you think? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Kate. Yay! Give more. Oi! The fish, they're hungry, right? Yes? Yes or no? Oops! Little by little. Why? Okay, they have the fountain here for the fish. Okay. Yeah? You have fun here in Faiz Goat Farm? Faiz Goat Farm. Give more food. More. Uy. They're happy. Yes? So, food to the fish. Okay? Yeah, you look the food. I want to give. Yay! Okay. Give more. Okay, you have fun here? Bye! Very nice place. Why they don't eat? Oh my God! They're food. Yay! What is that? Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go to the cafe?
Yeah.
Okay.สนุกมากเลย So enjoy? Faiz Dairy Gold Farm. Okay, let's try the drinks in this cafe. Cafe here in Faiz Dairy Gold Farm. Okay? What? They have cafe. Okay, later we check again. Okay. Ready? Go inside. Okay, what would you like to order? Ah, here, there's a playground too. Look, there's a slider. Wow. Hey, Faiz Farm Cafe. Fresh goat milk and coffee. What they have here? Tarpaulin, would you like to try that? Okay. What is that? It's a goat. Hey, look. It's a goat.
Oh.
Okay, come inside now.
Okay, come here.
Go inside. Face. Okay, go inside, please. Open, please. You can open. Say hello. We say hello, sawadee-kap. Sawadee-kap, good morning. We say good morning to them. Okay, what would you like? Okay. Oh, very nice. Where you want to sit? Here? Sit here? Wow. No, what can we see here? Can you write inside? You see? Oi, yummy food. Oi. Pizza. You want pizza? No? What would you like? Huh? What would you like? Wow. Oh. Cold and yen, no? Pizza. What else? Coffee. I don't know if they have ice cream. Later we check. Yes, they have.
Oh, they have balot. You know balot?
No.
This one, oh. What is this? Balot?
Yes. Egg.
Egg.
Ini yang kita mau main.
Kanya pa raw, Mark.
Ano ka? May chicken, ha? Pizza.เอาพิซซ่าไหมอันนี้ไง
กินไม่หมด
กินไม่หมดกลับบ้านก็ได้
ฮาวาเอียน
Where are you going? Oh, be careful. $20 each bottle. It's okay.
Why? Don't have soap. Why? Chốn.
Oh, last. Last. hi. Hi guys. We are here on Farm Goat. Faiz Dairy Farm Goat. Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. Be careful. You're not tired?
Tapang iba yun? Isa lang ba yun? Isa lang ba yun? Kuha mo na yun?
Oo, yun na nakaw
Siyempre pumipikit ako. Wala nga naman. Ow, why you open, bebe? Chicken, ha? We ordered chicken. Waiting for the chicken. Okay.มาแล้วแล้วก็อะไร อันนี้ชานมเย็น อันนี้โกโก้ อันนี้ดาดิกองลาเต้ขอบคุณครับ thank you okay this is the dairy goat farm Faiz dairy goat farm so you can order your food here and many seats okay yeah you can try it. Again? Okay. Say goodbye to the animals. Want to say goodbye? How about the duck? They're sleeping. Want to say goodbye again, huh? They want to sleep. What happened to the bird? Look. Not near, huh? Okay. Take a shower, oh. Huh? You think? What is the bird doing? Wait. Why stay on the water? Taking a bath, right? Hello. Because the weather is hot. You see? Uy, ano ito? Yaya, Kit. Go. Here. Goat house. This is the sample of goat house. Good idea. Be careful. Be careful, Kate. You can go up. It's the house. It's the house of the goat. But the goat is there. You know, they go down. They sleep here, they eat here, okay? They stay there, ngay, Kate. They stay there because they're still young. Okay, that's why they stay there. Okay? How about the rabbit?
I like that.
Huh?
I want to touch.
Okay, you touch. You can touch. Just hold, it's okay. Huh? You like this? Achimaru. Achimaru, ah? Achimaru. Gummy. Anong go to gummy? Achimaru. Achimaru. Gummy. Gummy อยู่ไหนแล้ว Gummy ไปแล้ว Gummy อันนี้เป็นพี่น้องเหรอ ครับ ไม่ใช่เหรออาปวนกัน อาชิมารุ กามิ อาชิมารุ อาชิมารุน่ารักเนาะ เป็นผู้ชายไหมอาชิมารุ ผู้ชายอ่ะ อันนี้ผู้ชายเหมือนกันผู้หญิงไหมกามิเป็นผู้หญิงดูชิมารุ โอ้โห อันนี้เป็นอะไรนะ เป็นเป๊ะ เป็นเคเหรอ ไม่ใช่เป็นอันนู้นหรอ อ๋อเหรออ๋อ Okay, this one sheep. Yes, it's a sheep. This is goat, not same. Sheep, it's a sheep. Ashimaru. Let's go back here again, huh? You see Ashimaru? Ashimaru and Gami. Where's Gami? Hey, Ashimaru and Gami. You want to go back here again? Yes. Ashimaru. Ashimaru, come here. Ashimaru. Ashimaru. Come here, Ashimaru. Ashimaru. Gami. Oh, Ashimaru so lovely. It's so soft. Uy, be careful, kiss you. So lovely. Gami. Gami is there eating. Gami. Where's Gami? Gami. You enjoy here?
Sheep. Baby sheep.
Huh? You want to sleep here?
Yeah.
You stay here? Huh? Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. Okay, enjoy visiting this place. So maybe we go back here again because it's a nice place. Really nice. No. Huh? That one chicken from Japan. You see?
Chicken here from ano? From
Japan, yes. From Japan. Yes. Yes, from Japan.
Short video.
They're sleeping. Right? Okay.
Scared.
Okay. You happy?
Of
Skibberoo. 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 Enjoy visiting this place. Okay? Okay, you want to go back here again? The Faiz Dairy Farm. Go.
I like that.
We should come here because it's very nice place.
Very nice place.
They
Yes.
have cafe.
The duck, they're sleeping. Say goodbye. Duck, bye-bye. Duck, bye-bye. Duck, bye-bye. Duck, goodbye. Ooh. Very nice place. Okay.